MRT produce a range of aluminium die castings and machine components for manufacturers all over the world.
When I met Phil, he had a couple of challenges. With his current facility, how could he improve the productivity, get better throughput through the machines? And secondly, with the investment in the new factory, he wanted to make sure that he's getting the right technology and laid out in the most optimum way.
The first project that we looked at with the MTC was when we were designing our new foundry. We wanted to see how our existing machinery and maybe any future machinery was going to fit into that building. So the MTC came along. They developed 3D models of all our existing machinery. We gave them the architect's plans. They dropped all that in together and they created a virtual layout for us of that new foundry building.
MRT came to the MTC because they were looking to onboard automation, and before approaching an integrator they wanted to get some impartial advice.
So we commissioned the MTC to undertake a project looking at our parts, our machines and the best fit of technology to actually start our route down the robotics and automation of loading CNC machines.
We developed 3 concepts for automation for MRT. Each concept was supported with a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats analysis, along with a investment level, benefit and viability indicator.
MTC engineers spent a long time with us looking at our parts and looking at our processes, and presented a range of proposals, different options of different types of technology and the pros and cons of them. Helped us make a balanced decision, and we then selected a partner and put a robotic cell onto a new CNC mill turn centre.
I had no knowledge of automation to start with, so that is the biggest thing. Now we've got the robot in, I'm learning every time we set it up, every time we do something with it, we're getting some good results.
I think the biggest thing that our guys picked up was that appetite for change and to embrace that change. And that actually, automation and robotics wasn't a threat to their job, it was actually an opportunity for them to upskill and an opportunity for the business to become more competitive and progress, and they could see their futures in that. The MTC are a really enthusiastic, passionate bunch of engineers, and they have such an inspiring facility up there in Coventry, such a diverse range of experience, that it's been great to tap into not just that knowledge but also that energy.
What's been great working with MRT is Phil's and his colleagues' attitude to looking to the future, always looking for new ideas and how can they optimise. So we've gone from machine automation, we've used virtual reality to do factory layouts, and now we're looking at them investing in additive manufacturing. So we're looking at a project to help them deselect and de-risk to make sure they make the right choices and set them on that journey to improve their productivity even further.
Because of the work we've done with the MTC and ourselves in looking at the future of the business, we knew what kind of machinery we wanted to invest in. We had a scalable IT solution. We had a scalable approach to lots of different things. So it put us in this incredible position where we could be very agile and very, very responsive. We've nearly doubled our workforce. We've been able to rent additional space locally as well, so we've actually doubled our physical footprint. And we've been able to adapt very, very quickly. The MTC were on hand with help all the way through that process, with ideas and encouragement, and as a business as a whole in the last 6 months we've been trading at 3 times our normal business levels.